In this video, you'll learn how to change your email on Taskrabbit. By the end of this guide, you will successfully update your email address associated with your account. Begin by navigating to the Taskrabbit website or opening the Taskrabbit app on your device. Ensure that you are logged into your account to access your personal settings. Once you are on the main interface, locate and click on the account section. This is usually found in the menu, which may be represented by an icon or listed in the sidebar. After accessing the account section, look for the profile option and click on it. This will take you to your profile settings where you can make various updates. Next, find and click on the edit button, which will allow you to modify your profile information. This button is typically located near the top of the profile settings page. Once the editing interface appears, locate your current email address displayed on the screen. Click on the email address to enable the text field for editing. Type in your new email address carefully. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure that you can receive communications at this new address. After entering the new email, look for the save button, usually positioned at the bottom or top of the editing section. Click save to apply the changes you have made. Once you click save, the system will process your request. You may see a confirmation message indicating that your email has been successfully updated. It is advisable to check your inbox for a confirmation email from Taskrabbit to verify that the change was made. In case you do not receive it, check your spam folder. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.